video is going to be based on some of the problems that are in your practice problems Google slide. So I wanted to use number 11 just so that we could walk through how to do that, and then there's I think a couple more that you can practice on your own. Okay, so the problem is which point lies on the circle, and then we have the equation for the circle. So these are going to be multiple choice questions, and I kind of like the multiple choice questions because I think it helps you really think about what the question is asking. So if you think about a circle, when we draw our diagram out that, we call this point that's sitting on the circle xy. So when we're looking at the equation of the circle, this x and that y represent these points right here. So you're going to have many points x, y that will be on the circle. So the question is giving us 4 options of points, and they're wanting to know which one is sitting on the circle. So A asks about the point 512. So if we want to know if 512 is on this circle, we're just going to plug 5 in for x and 12 in for y. And if the equation is equal, if it balances out, then that point would be on the circle. If it doesn't, then it's not on the circle. All right, so let's look at this one. We would say, substituting in, 5 plus 7 squared plus 12 minus 10 squared is equal to 13 squared. Simplify it, it ends up being 148 is equal to 169. We know that's not true, so that would mean that this point 512 is not on that circle. Number, or option B, is -7, -3. So we want to go ahead and do the same process here. We're going to say -7 plus 7 squared plus, and then -3 minus 10 squared should equal 13 squared. This becomes a 0. This becomes a -13 squared, which would be equal to 13 squared. So 169 is equal to 169. So that means that B is correct. -7, -3 is sitting on this circle.